Hey guys, welcome to Vibing with your girl Trina, Trena. Okay, what I'm gonna do today, I'm gonna show you guys how to make some curry chicken. Okay, so you're gonna need your salt, okay, your garlic, ginger, pimento powder. You could use the seeds. I don't have the seeds, so that's why I go with the powder. Okay, we got the garlic powder, we got some all-purpose seasoning, we got some Maggi powder as well in the bottle. We got the curry, okay, and I got some lemon pepper. All right, give it a little tingling taste for the pepper. We also got the black pepper, we got the olive oil. Okay, also we got the main ingredients, some chicken. I'm using the chicken wings, okay, and I use lemon to clean my chicken with, along with vinegar. Okay, so it's all clean and fresh. Also, the seasoning you're also gonna need, you're gonna need the onion, you're gonna need thyme, some carrot, fresh ginger, okay, and scallion. All right, so this is all the thing that we're gonna need to make yourself some nice Jamaican tasteful curry chicken. All right, so that's everything you're gonna need. So I want you guys to take notes. All right, everything is here. The salt, yes, and you do need some garlic. So. Okay guys, so what I'm doing now, take this garlic, I'll put some seasoning, lemon pepper, okay, and the chicken. Get some black pepper, not too much. You have a Maggi. Your purple season. I wanted some allspice, but I don't have it. Okay, your pimento, garlic pimento. You could use a pimento seed, but I don't have any pimento seed, but I have the powder. So I use the powder one, all right? I also have my garlic powder. This one is done. I really don't use salt. I just use a little bit of salt, just a little bit. That's it. Because the season that I use have salt in there. And you want to take your carrots, the salt cut and clean. You got your scallion. Okay. Just break it up in two. Okay. So you see, I'm gonna do is cut them up, slice them up. That's it. All right. You could also add the garlic. Okay. Break it up. Slice up some fresh ginger. You have your onion. Some thyme. Then you have your thyme. You just season it up. Okay, all seasoned up. There you go. All right. Okay. And what me do? Me make it burn. All right. Yeah. So put the curry in the pile. It burn. Make the curry burn. Give it a nice flavor. Burn the curry in it. Okay. And make it burn. Burn the curry. All right. Nice golden color. The curry's all burned. Okay. The curry. that I burned, okay? Give it a nice golden look. Make it taste a little bit better. With the garlic. You just let the curry burn for about 2 minutes and you're good to go. Okay? Make sure the pot is on high. So we're going to stir. For that nice color. So that nice texture, nice color, right? Yeah, that's what your curry is supposed to look. Nice color. Okay, so cover it up. All right. Okay, guys, so stir it up a little bit. Nice color, right? Alright, so open that. Yeah, looking good, guys. Looking good. Curry chicken. Feel rich. Nice eating. Okay. That's the curry. I'm gonna take the seasoning. Okay, guys. I'm gonna pour it in there. Just like that. Alright. Okay. Like that. That's a curry chicken. Alright. Hey guys, gonna get some water. We're gonna pour it in there. So season can cook out now and can give it a nice flavor. Alright? We'll cover it up. You're gonna leave it to cook for like about 5 more minutes. Should be good.